Guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windows upgrade error code 0x80070040 0x2000D on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Windows upgrade error code, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is clean boot your system. Right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command msconf5z and click on OK. This will open System Configuration Windows. Here from the top menu bar, go to the option Services and make the check against option Hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner, and thereafter click on Disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter go to a Startup option from the top menu bar and click on the link Open Task Manager. Here a startup apps, look for any startup apps enabled in your system, find out, and if any startup apps enabled found, then simply right click on it and choose disable. Manually disable all your startup apps enabled in your system. Apply this process for all your startup apps enabled in your system, and thereafter close the windows and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your Windows upgrade error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings and scroll down and choose troubleshoot from the right side. Here click on other troubleshooters and run Windows update troubleshoot. Click on run and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process, Windows update troubleshooting process, and thereafter close the windows and check whether your Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, the third one is disconnect all your external devices. If you have added any external devices to your system, disconnect for a while and check whether your Windows upgrade error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run command box, type the command as shown on screen, %windirect software distribution download. This command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Simply copy it and paste it in run dialog box and choose OK. Here in File Explorer, this folder location will open. Here press Ctrl+A to select all its content of this folder. Select it and choose delete. Clear downloaded folder or caches file from this folder under software distribution. Simply press Ctrl+A to select all contents of this folder and choose delete. It will take some time. A large number of files may be listed here. So first discover and thereafter delete it. Wait for some time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And one successfully deleted, folder empty. Then close the File Explorer window and restart your system. After restarting, check whether you are still facing Windows upgrade error code or not. If you are still facing, then go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, user account control, choose yes, and in command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on a screen. There's 3 DISM tool one by one. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these 3 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and thereafter execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. This process will take some time. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether Windows upgrade error code resolved or not. The one more workaround is create another user account. Right click on start button and choose settings. From the left side, go to account settings. From the right side, scroll down and choose family and other users. Click on it. Here scroll down and click on add someone. A new window will open. Here put your credential, use email ID and choose add someone. No Microsoft account. Enter email address, add another user and go to upgrade your Windows system. It will definitely upgrade with new user account profile. Follow on screen instruction to complete the adding process of someone. That's all.